Here is the major Galaxy S24 series information revelation from Samsung. They're going all out with the lineup, which confirms earlier rumors. We are bringing you critical information regarding the Galaxy S24 in partnership with Galaxy Club, just a few months after the Galaxy S23's introduction, which was a huge success for Samsung. The code name of the Galaxy S24 can now be verified by Sam Mobile and Galaxy Club. There may be free phones in the next-generation high-end smartphone portfolio from Samsung, which includes the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, known internally as the Galaxy S24 series as Muse. As Muse 3 is the codename for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Muse 1 and Muse 2 could be the codenames for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, respectively. The South Korean company has a history of utilizing codenames for its high-end phones. For instance, the Galaxy S20 series had the codename Hubble. The codename for the Galaxy S21 series was Unbound, whereas that for the Galaxy S22 series was Rainbow, and that for the Galaxy S23 series was Diamond. Despite several reports, it doesn't appear that Samsung will discontinue the Galaxy S24 Plus. With the Galaxy S24 series, the South Korean company may continue to introduce a Plus model. The Galaxy S24's specifications are unknown, although it is almost certain that the Galaxy S24 series will have the same design language as the Galaxy S23 series. Customers of the Ultra could be happy to welcome 5x optical zoom, as is customary with high-end Samsung phones, in place of the 3x crop. The camera configuration will remain the same with software tweaks for improved photography. Just before the Galaxy S24 series' formal introduction, further details should become available. During the first few weeks of 2024, we anticipate learning more about the design and specifications of the phones. For today, that is all. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.